The rise of artificial intelligence has opened up numerous opportunities for individuals to earn money online. AI tools can automate tasks, optimize processes, and even create content, making it easier than ever for beginners to start generating income. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 AI tools that beginners can use to earn money online. These tools are user-friendly, efficient, and offer various ways to capitalize on the growing AI trend. 1. Jasper is an AI-powered writing assistant that can generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether you need blog posts, marketing copy, social media posts, or even books, Jasper can help you create engaging content with minimal effort. Content creation for freelance writing. Start by creating an account on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and offer content creation services. Jasper can help you produce well-written articles and blog posts that clients will love. Blogging. Use Jasper to write blog posts for your own website. By optimizing these posts for SEO, you can attract traffic and monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Social media management. Offer social media management services where you use Jasper to create engaging posts for clients' social media accounts. Ease of use. Jasper's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to start creating content. Versatility. Jasper can be used for a wide range of writing tasks, providing multiple streams of potential income. Time saving. Jasper significantly reduces the time needed to create content, allowing you to take on more projects. As a beginner, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per project, depending on the complexity and length of the content. 2. Canva is a graphic design tool that allows users to create professional quality graphics with ease. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design elements that can be customized to fit any need. Freelance graphic design offers services on freelance platforms to create logos, social media graphics, presentations, and more using Canva. Print on demand. Design and sell custom merchandise on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Use Canva to create eye-catching designs that appeal to your target audience. Social media management. Create visually appealing social media posts for businesses and influencers, helping them enhance their online presence. User-friendly. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for anyone to create stunning designs. Resource-rich. With thousands of templates and design elements, beginners can create professional-looking graphics without prior design experience. Free and paid options. Canva offers a free version with plenty of features, and a pro version with additional tools and assets. As a freelance designer, you can charge between $15 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity and the client's budget. 3. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced conversational AI that can be used for various applications, including customer service, content creation, and personal assistance. Customer service. Offer AI-powered customer service solutions to businesses. Set up ChatGPT to handle common customer inquiries, reducing the workload on human agents. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to write articles, create chatbot scripts, and even generate creative writing pieces. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistant services where ChatGPT can help schedule appointments, manage emails, and perform other administrative tasks. Accessibility. ChatGPT is easy to set up and use, requiring minimal technical expertise. Versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of tasks, from customer service to content creation. Efficiency. ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for scaling services. Depending on the service provided, you can earn between $10 to $30 per hour for customer service solutions, or up to $100 per project for content creation. 4th, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation tool that transforms text content into engaging videos. It's perfect for creating marketing videos, social media content, and even educational videos. Video content creation. create videos for clients' marketing campaigns, social media channels, or YouTube. Use Lumen 5 to turn blog posts and articles into visually appealing videos.